If your melodies are bad like this one that I did, bro, you need my help. I'm gonna show you tip beginners how to change your melodies real fast without changing your melodies, but changing your melodies. So I did this. It's not bad. I know it's not bad. I mean, fuck, that's not bad. Right? So first I ran fast. I came right here looking for gross beat. Right? I got in here and then I went to what the fuck? I went to preset and then I went to momentary, then I went to half speed, yeah. Now it sounds like this with some drums.